Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Asterisk like no matter what you do, people don't seem to really see you. Asterisk do you feel like you're always trying to fit in, but somehow you're always just slightly out of sync? Asterisk ever wonder why some people seem to naturally attract everyone, while you're still trying to figure out how to get people to even notice? Asterisk let me ask you something personal. Asterisk what if I told you that the reason people don't connect with you is nothing to do with how you look, how smart you are, or how much money you have? Asterisk would you believe me? Asterisk because the truth is, asterisk there's one simple thing, one core trait that instantly makes people like trust and follow someone. Asterisk and no, it's not confidence. Asterisk it's not charm. Asterisk it's not popularity. Asterisk it's something much deeper. Asterisk and you already have it, but you've buried it under fear, overthinking, and the need to impress. Asterisk keep watching, because in the next few minutes, you'll uncover what's holding you back from being liked, respected, and remembered. Asterisk let me ask you again. Asterisk how many times have you replayed a conversation in your head, wondering, did I say something wrong? Asterisk or left a social setting feeling drained, thinking, why don't I connect with people the way others do? Asterisk here's the brutal truth. Asterisk most people don't like you. Asterisk because you're trying too hard to be liked. Asterisk sounds crazy, right? Asterisk but let's break it down. Asterisk you see, humans are wired to detect authenticity. Asterisk we feel it, we sense it, we know it. Asterisk and the moment someone tries to impress, to fake, to perform, something inside us resists. Asterisk the one thing that will make everyone like you genuinely is this. Asterisk being unapologetically you. Asterisk sounds too simple. Asterisk then, why aren't most people doing it? Asterisk because we've been conditioned to please. Asterisk to hide our opinions. Asterisk to smile when we're hurting. Asterisk to shrink ourselves to fit into places we were never meant to belong. Asterisk you're not invisible. Asterisk you're just not showing up as you. Asterisk think about this. Asterisk how many connections, friendships, or opportunities have you missed? Asterisk just because you were scared of being judged. Asterisk let that sink in. Asterisk people don't connect with perfection. Asterisk they connect with realness. Asterisk if you're always filtering yourself to be accepted. Asterisk you're actually training the world to like a version of you that isn't even real. Asterisk and deep down, you know it. Asterisk that's why you still feel alone, even when you're surrounded by people. Asterisk hey, if this is hitting something deep inside you. Asterisk if you're tired of living a filtered, people-pleasing version of yourself. Asterisk make sure to subscribe to the channel. Asterisk because this is the kind of stuff we talk about. Asterisk the real fears. Asterisk the real change. Asterisk and your real self finally unlocked. Asterisk now imagine this. Asterisk what if you stopped apologizing for being too much? Asterisk are not enough. Asterisk what if you walked into every room, every conversation, every relationship? Asterisk fully you, no mask, no filter. Asterisk do you think people wouldn't notice? Asterisk they would. Asterisk because real energy is rare, and rare is magnetic. Asterisk the irony. Asterisk the moment you stop trying to be liked. Asterisk is exactly when people start liking you. Asterisk so the question now is, asterisk are you brave enough to be disliked by a few? Asterisk in order to be loved deeply by the right ones? Asterisk or will you keep performing for people who don't even see the real you? Asterisk you're one decision away from flipping your entire social experience. Asterisk and I want to leave you with this. Asterisk people can't like you. Asterisk until they actually know who you are. Asterisk so what version of you are they meeting today? Asterisk if you're ready to drop the mask. Asterisk and finally attract people who love the real you, not the one you've been faking. Asterisk then hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment with I'm done pretending. Asterisk and let's grow into the version of you that's impossible to ignore. Asterisk because the world doesn't need another perfect person. Asterisk it needs you. Asterisk fully real. Asterisk and finally free.